Gold Rush. It has everything kids love about VBS and more. This powerful VBS captures the hearts of your children and excites them to uncover the truth about themselves and their Creator. Each day, kids unlock the answers to life's biggest questions about Jesus and themselves using the Scriptures. With Gold Rush, kids will face the most important question Jesus asks: who do you say that I am? As they blaze a trail into the heart of gold country, they'll uncover exciting Bible discoveries about Jesus. They'll discover his bold claims, learn about his miraculous birth and his radical life. Gold Rush, so much more than your average VBS. Discover the Answers in Genesis difference when you order your Super Starter Kit today. To order, call 1-800-778-3390 or visit AnswersVBS.com. Gold Rush, discovering the Rock of Ages.